Hi guys, I want to show you my American rose. Look at this. It's big. It's beautiful. Hello my baby. Hello my baby girl. Hi lovely. Thank you for kissy kissy. Thank you for the kiss baby. Oh, good girl. That's my American rose. And I'm gonna have some more. I have so many bulbs right there.